Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm finally going to replace this old steering wheel with a reupholstered facelift one. On this older style wheel there are Torx bolts on each side of the airbag. After loosening both of those bolts, note that they stay in the steering wheel. You can now gently remove the airbag and use both hands for this, because you will need to disconnect some wires. This one. Now to remove this airbag, you take your screwdriver, flathead, and you stick it in this hole and like this orientation. Then you will feel for a spring, and once you feel it, you push it and it will pop the airbag off. So these are the springs you're trying to push with your screwdriver. There's one on each side, and they just simply hold the legs on the airbag in place. And now you are ready to swap the wheels. And don't worry, these are notched in the bottom, so you can't put it wrong. This could actually use a good clean first. Great. Now let's put this on. And there you go. Slides just in. Don't force it or anything. Line the notches up and push it in. Now you can connect your wires. Plug in the airbag, and these just snap in place. Like so. Put the airbag in place, you line it up, and then push. After reconnecting the battery, we can now check for any airbag lights. And as you can see, we have none, which is great. Check that all the steering wheel buttons light up. Awesome. And I think we're done here. Thank you for watching. See you next video.